For 2 decades, Bob Barron was the CIA's master of disguise, keeping undercover agents alive by changing their appearance. When he left the agency, he took his skills with him. And what you're about to witness, you wouldn't imagine was possible. The man who helped disguise so many is now transforming lives.
Just outside of Washington, D.C., in Ashburn, Virginia, by an ex-CIA spy. Yep, you heard that correctly. Bob Barron was the CIA's equivalent to Hollywood's Mission Impossible. But Bob's masks weren't for the box office. They were the real deal.
The disguises had to pass the closest of scrutiny, okay? Their lives depended upon the realism of that disguise to keep them alive. If they were penetrating something and they were in an area where that disguise would attract attention, their life would be in jeopardy. So there was a lot riding on my shoulders, and I'm happy to say that I didn't lose one agent.
For 24 years, Bob was the master of disguise, and after retiring, this energetic 66-year-old was not prepared to take it easy. He decided to put his skills to another use.
If I could put somebody in hiding, then I could bring these disfigured people out of hiding. Or if I could change somebody's identity, I could give that identity back to that person with prosthetics.
For 16 years, he's done just that, changing the lives of ordinary people who've been disfigured from congenital diseases, accidents, or cancer.
I know what I'm going to do for everybody that walks through that door. I know I'm going to make a difference in their life. And that's the best feeling. Hey, how you doing, Micah?
Today it's 6-year-old Micah's turn.
Good to see you today, okay?
He is super excited.
Hey, Dad. How you
Micah Davis has microtia, a congenital ear deformity. It occurs 1 in every 12,000 births.
Good day, mate.
Good day, mate.
His parents had originally looked at surgery, but then they saw the results Bob was having with other children.
We thought we only had one option, you know. And yeah, when we found out about the prosthetic, it just made all our problems go away, basically. I mean, yeah, we almost wanted to jump up and down for joy that we weren't gonna have to put him through several surgeries and things like that.
It'll go just like that and drop in like that, straight on. Look at that.
That looks great.
That is right on, isn't it?
That is great.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Good
gonna
deal.
that's gonna be a good fit.
Wow.
Let me look. Look straight at me.
I don't think you're gonna be able to look that far, buddy.
Let's see, look at me.
I don't know anybody can see their ears.
This silicon ear has taken patience and many hours to sculpt. Every bend, every pore, every vein is added.
Oh,
See?
wow. Yeah.
See how that blends?
Yeah, wow.
It's the exact mirror image of Micah's other ear, and now it's meticulously painted to match his skin.
No, I'm not gonna
Tattooed
put
in, isn't
purple
it?
on it. I'm not gonna put hair in it or anything like that.
You don't have hairy ears
Put a
yet?
mold on
When
it or
completed, Micah will be able to wear it during the day and take it off at night.
Okay, you wanna go see it? Come on, let's go see your ear. Get up there on the platform and look straight in the mirror. Look at there. Huh? What do you think?
Cool.
Is that cool? Now you can wear glasses.
What do you think?
What do you think?
Thank you.
You gonna give me a hug? Give me a big hug. Oh, you're my buddy, huh? Are we buddies? You're my pal.
What would you say if you had a pair of Hot Wheels sunglasses you could put on? How cool would that be?
You can put. Oh, look what? Look at that.
Be real
Can you
careful.
believe that? Can you believe that?
Look at that.
Look in the mirror.
Woo.
Oh, was that a surprise?
I'm a lucky kid. Always been on
Yes, you are a lucky kid.
I'm a lucky. I'm a lucky.
Okay.
I'm a jump and you catch me. Oh man.
Awesome, dude.
Cool, man.